does love to ride. I can pretty much guarantee you that Ben rides more than most of my friends. Just not picking on anybody specific. You know who you are. Hey, it's me again, and I'm doing the nightly ride down to the river to take good old Ben for his walk. And I'm using my GoPro Hero 7 with an ETM-001 omnidirectional mic, and as you can hear, the audio is actually usable. I mean, it's pretty windy right now. You can see my hat's blowing out of the way. So it's windy and I'm on a scooter. I'm telling you, for 29 bucks, this mic is fantastic. Alright, don't get hit by a car. And we're heading down to the river. We'll get off the scooter and you get to hear just normal air. But it produces usable audio. Ooh. Bumpy today. Ben's with me. There's Ben down there. Riding on the scooter. That's Ben's thing. Riding down there. See my big old ugly man legs. But you'll see it's not a bad thing, people. Come on, Ben. You want to be on the TV? Come on, Ben. Show everybody how you poop. They love that. It's big money. We'll put people's faces and stuff underneath it. We'll send it to the president. Tell him what a good boy you are. You could show him. The Mighty Adventurer. There I am. Oh, Ben's doing his business. I gotta go. That is a bus. Really? You're not gonna slow down a little bit, huh? So, I think, ooh, we're upside down. Am I upside down? Doesn't know which way we are. Are we upside down? The right side up? I don't know. I don't really care. We'll figure it out. We'll fix it in post. Still, impressive how this ETM-001 can handle like low-speed scooter rides and still produce usable audio. Who would have thought? Alright, time to go home.